We see in the centre a Spitfire commanded by Squadron Leader Duncan Mason, and he's flanked by Hurricanes, and on the outside we'll see 2 further Spitfires. Let's listen to the roar of those engines. And memories for the Queen's generation, who would have heard those aircraft flying over regularly, and the dogfights that took place. And so many people looking now at the past and the present. A Hurricane and a distinctive Typhoon flying over there, Spitfire just leading the way. Spitfire's probably had the greatest element of profile, but here 3 Typhoons which do the same quick reaction job in protecting the United Kingdom's skies. And following that, the Royal Air Force, who are forming the guard in the forecourt below Her Majesty the Queen, will prepare to fire a feu de joie as the aircraft turn back towards Coningsby and to their various stations.